Hey guys, it's Frances, and as you saw, there's a collaboration, and the theme was superheroes. I was the host, and my picture was the last one that you saw in that list of pictures. Make sure that you go and check out all the other ladies and what they did in their videos. I'll link them below as I always do. And if you're coming to me from one of their channels, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here, and I hope that you like what you see. You hit that subscribe button and you stick around for a little while to see what else I have to offer. Anyway, I was the host for this week's theme, and I chose superheroes because the Marvel Avengers Infinity War was coming out. I told the ladies they did not have to choose Marvel characters. They could do any superheroes that they wanted to, and they could even do real life heroes if they wanted to do that as well. So I left the theme pretty much open to whatever they wanted. Let me show you how I went ahead and created my design, and I'm starting out with OPI Alpine Snow, 2 coats of that. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of that, and I'm going to be probably putting this Wet n Wild glitter top coat. It's a holographic top coat. It's called Hallucinate. I'm going to be putting this one on top. I'm not sure how much of it's going to show through. I have not done this design yet. I have not tried out this design yet, and the images are fairly large, but I'm going to be using a variety of polishes for stamping as well as for filling in. I'm going to be doing some reverse stamping. These are the polishes I'll be using for stamping. There's 3 Beauty Big Bang ones. There's 002, 011, and 006, as well as Essie's No Place Like Chrome, which is a regular polish, but I'll be using it for stamping, and then I'll be filling in with some of those, as well as I'll be filling in with, there's no name, oh, Sage in the City. This is a Wet n Wild one. I got this at the dollar store in like a 2-pack. And this is China Glaze Splish Splash, and that's electric blue. And then I'm going to be using the Stampaholic 3 plate. I got this in a D-stash. I think it's available on AliExpress, but I'm not exactly sure, so if it's not, I'm sorry. And if it is, I will not be linking it below because I can't guarantee which of the which of the sellers is reputable, so I don't want to steer you guys in the wrong direction. But anyway, this one has a ton of different images on it. And there are up here a bunch of different superhero images, Marvel as well as DC characters. I'm going to go ahead and use these 2 as well as these 2. And then I will be doing on my accent nail, I'll be doing 6 rhinestones for the Infinity Stones. Alright, I'm going to put on my glitter topper first, that Wet n Wild glitter topper first. And then I'm going to put it on a fast dry top coat. The reason being that even though these glitters are really fine, they can leave some texture, and it's much easier to reverse stamp on smooth nails. Let's see if I can bring you in, because I don't think the lights, whoa, too much. I don't think the lights are picking up this glitter. Like, there, when it's blurry, you can see the hollow, but I think it's really pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on a fast dry top coat. Where'd my fast dry top coat go? Oh, here it is. Gonna put on my fast dry top coat over top of that. Helps move it out, help it dry a little bit faster. And there we go. And I'll pull together all my stuff for stamping. Man, there's something about a white manicure that's just so fresh and pretty. I have a variety of stampers that I'm going to be using. I would probably be using these 3 from Born Pretty Store, as well as this one from Edgebus. And I guess we'll start with, let's start with the Hulk. And I'm going to stamp that one in black. And what I didn't tell you before about the Beauty Big Bang polishes is that I have a code for 10% off of everything on their site. I don't get anything from it, but you guys get a discount, which is pretty awesome. and the code is FBG10, and I will put that up on the screen for you. And I need to go get a paper towel so that I have something to stamp on so I'm not stamping on my surface. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start stamping the images. I will speed that up. I will then speed up the coloring in for you so this doesn't take forever. And nope. I'm gonna have to scrape that one a little bit better. Hold on. Let me get that off. Let's try that again. Anyway, I will speed this up and let you guys watch. Alright, I'm waiting for those to dry to the touch on my stamper, and the only one I don't have to do reverse stamping for is the Mjolnir, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp that one. I'm doing gold for that one. I was going to do silver, but I don't know it was going to show up so well on the white, so I am going to do gold for it. I have a wonky hair on this brush that I'm going to need to get tweezers to take off. I'm going to go ahead and scrape that, see what kind of pickup I get. This scraper is not that great. I'll tell you what. I have a mess on there, so I'm going to try that again. Let's go this way with it. Yeah. Going to get another scraper. Be right back. See if I get a better pickup on this one. Much better. Change the scraper, who knew? Anyway, this one will fit on my pinky. I'm going to do it this way. And there we go. I've got the Mjolnir there. Alright. Looks like my shield is ready. I'll pop that one on my index finger. Uh-oh. Didn't want to stick. Whew, that was scary. Okay. That was scary. I believe Iron Man's mask is ready to go. Here we go. There we go. Well, these are looking good. And Thor's fist, or not Thor, Hulk's fist. All right. Hey, look at that. My reverse stamping has been successful. Going to top coat because I am dead terrified that these are just gonna pop right off my fingers. So the top coat will adhere them to my nail, make them nice and shiny too. Okay, because this, oh no, 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 no. Did you see that? My Captain America shield just, all right. I will come in with some red and silver paint and finish that afterwards, but did you see it just roll up on me? I can fix that actually. But it just rolled up on the side on me. Man. Alright. And there's the Mjolnir. I am not going to top coat this finger yet because I need to get my gems ready. So I just went ahead and applied on this hand and I realized that I was not recording when I did it. So I'm going to show you what I did on this hand. And you're going to get to see me do things on my dominant hand, which is interesting. I realized that I did not have a yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and use this gold one since it needs to be bigger anyway. I'm going to go ahead and use gold one. And then I need some more. I will not make you watch me put these out. I'm going to place them in the order which I need them to make placement go a lot faster for me. So let me get all of these out as I struggle. Let me get all these out and place them where I need them so that I'm ready to go, and then I'll show you how I put them on. Alright, so this is the order in which they are on, they would go on Thanos's gauntlet. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a very thick layer of my Fast Dry top coat. This would also work well with gel polish. In fact, it would work probably even better with gel polish because gel polish is a little thicker and it won't dry as fast. So I have them all out so that it doesn't dry on me before I get them on there. And I'm going to start by placing this one right here in the middle. And then I'm going to be placing the blue on the top. And then hold on, I have it going in the opposite direction here. I'm going to go from there out. Oh, of course I'm off camera. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this on my dominant hand and it's not working out very well for me. And I'm going to put this right here. I'll make sure I'm still in frame for you to see. The green will go here. Nope, I'm sorry. The green goes down at the bottom, so I'm just dragging that. And then there's purple right here. And that's cool, sort of, kind of even, I think. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so then what I'm going to go ahead and do is add another layer of Fast Dry top coat. If these were really expensive gems that could cloud, like Swarovski crystals or something like that, I would tell you do not add top coat on top of it to go around the sides of it. And you could still do that even with inexpensive gems. I'm not too worried about it. But this doesn't cloud them. So that would be that look. And let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to fix the shield. So I'm going to go ahead and get those two polishes that I used. And in this case it would be a silver and the red. And I'm going to get a very fine detail brush and put some of those on my little silicone matte thingy here. Where's my silver? Okay, I'm going to go ahead, make sure I'm in frame here, and I'm just going to go around like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off so that I don't gunk up the silver. I'm going to put some silver on here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the silver and put that there like that. All right. And I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to do a tiny bit of cleanup. I'm going to re-top coat this one, and then I will come back and show you the final look all together. So here is my final look, and I'm pretty jazzed about how this one turned out. I really do like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure that you go and check out the other ladies, and I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for spending your time with me, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.